Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this luxury makeup look right here. I used all my most expensive products that I own and tried to make a look come together. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But before we get right into the video, if you guys can go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, I really would appreciate it. And let's get right into the video. So I'm going in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. Next, I'm going in with this Natasha Denona Palette. I've never used this palette, but it looks so pretty. So now I'm going in with this little brown shade and putting that in my crease. Then I'm going in with another brown shade and putting that in my crease just to get a nice little burnt look in the crease. And then I'm going to take a gold and put that on my lid. And I really like gold shadows. Like, that's my thing. I always go to the gold shadows for some reason. I just love it. And by the way, all the prices and the products I used in this video are going to be in the description box down below. So now I'm taking this brown. I'm just putting that in my outer V. And make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias because I am doing a giveaway on TikTok, a $75 Sephora gift card giveaway. So follow my TikTok to find out about that. Then I just put on eyeliner. I couldn't record that because I'm not that great at doing eyeliner, and I'm putting some lip balm on. That's the Mcgrath Lip Balm. Now I'm going with this It Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer and just putting that all over my face. I've really been liking this moisturizer recently. It's super hydrating. It doesn't feel too thick on your skin, but it just feels nice and refreshing. It has a nice scent to it too. Now I'm going in with this YSL primer, and as I just showed you, it has little like gold flakes in it, so I thought that was cool. I'm just putting that all over my skin. Now I'm going in with this Nars Foundation, and don't judge me, I know this shade does not match my skin tone, I know, but I'm just using that. It gets a little bit lighter as I put like concealer and stuff like that, so you'll see that in a minute. And then I'm going with my Tarte ShapeTape concealer and putting that on. And now one side of my face is starting to look a little bit better, but still the foundation does not match. I know I'm horrible at matching foundation, but yeah, so I'm just blending that out. And I always like to just blend in my foundation with the ends of my concealer, if that makes sense. Then I'm going in with this Peach Perfect setting powder, and I'm putting that on my lower lids, under eye area, and over my lip because the foundation always comes off there. Then I'm going with this little brow gel, just raking that through my brows. Then I'm going with this ABH brow definer and just filling in my brows. These are not necessarily the most expensive products I have. Well, most of them are, but some I honestly don't know. My lip product, I don't know what the most expensive one I have is. Probably like a Dior one, but I don't think the shade look good. And then I'm going with this Caramel Cutie bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and I'm putting that all over my face in like a 3 formation, so my forehead, my cheek, and my under my jawline. Now I'm going with this Nars Super Orgasm Blush, just putting that all over my cheeks. And again, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok because I do post on there, and I'm having a giveaway right now, a $75 Sephora giveaway. So make sure you guys go check that out. And now I'm just putting on mascara. That's the Damn Girl mascara, and I'm going with this pressed blotting powder. That's just so my makeup stays all day, and it just helps it a little bit. It's not like too pigmented. Now I'm going with this MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl, and I'm just lining my lips with that. You usually like NYX lip liner, but I mean, for the sake of the video, a luxury video, I'm going with MAC. Now I'm going with this ABH lipstick in the shade Spice, and this Patrick Ta like lip topper. It has glitter in it, and I'll show you guys that in 1 second. So that's how it looks like. It's my first time using it. I really liked it. Now I'm going with this Tom Ford highlighter and putting that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist and put that all over my face. And just a quick little disclaimer, I am not bragging or anything or trying to show off my makeup. I'm appreciative of everything I have, and I've worked really hard for it. All the makeup was bought by me. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, found it helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.